Shri Krishna Govinda Hari Murari, He Nath Narayana Vasudeva. Shri Krishna Govinda Hari Murari, He Nath Narayana Vasudeva. So number one, she said, I'm now leaving the happy home and protection of my family, my mother and father, to become your life companion. Lall, I want you to listen to what she's saying to you. I know you're telling she all kind of nice things right now and how much you love her and all that, but listen to what she's saying to her. She wants you to listen to what she's saying. She says, I pledge my life at your feet. She says to you, Lall. She said, you are my Lord. I will stand by your side in both pleasure and pain, happiness and sorrow, health and poverty, health and illness, fame and ill name. I hereby place my life at your feet, my Lord. She said, I will dwell in Dharma and maintain all the traditions of our Dharma. She goes on to say, I will maintain the rightful place at your side under every condition. One thing you'll notice in these vows, devotees, they want you to communicate, husband and wife, to communicate. There are some husbands and wives who don't talk to each other. They're living in the same house and they don't even talk to each other. Both of you. If there was one word you have to describe marriage in, what would that one word be? Commitment, truthful, two really nice answers. I want to add one more to your mix. Very unique one. Compromise. To have a good marriage, you must compromise. Dolahan, dolahin. There are moments you may not want to eat bodhi, but she wants to eat bodhi, what are you going to do?
Through being friends with Sarah, I end up meeting Lall. Once you have these two in your corner, you get through. Let's give a round of applause to these two incredible persons who not only feel but embody love in every action.
Lall, they would like to welcome you into the family and some marital advice from your parents before we leave. As you embark on this journey together, remember, always cherish and respect one another.
Sarah, your kindness, warmth, and unwavering support have touched everyone lucky enough to know you. Here's to Sarah and Lall, a love for the ages.
I love you very much, and I want to wish you all the best in the step you have taken. And to Lall, take good care of her.
Good night, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and a special good night to my beautiful wife, Mrs. Roopchand. Firstly, I just want to thank everyone who came up here and talked. Firstly, I just want to thank everyone who came up here and gave a beautiful speech. Right? I really appreciate me and my wife both. You know, this speech hard for me to give, right? So you have to excuse me. I try. So the more comfortable I feel, more shorter the speech I get. Right? So please bear with me, because the way I feel about you will always be the same. You know, my wife and I have been together for a long time, and I must say we enjoy every good and bad moments together. But the time has come for a new chapter in our life. All I want from you is to get up early, sometime on a Sunday, not 1, 2, but earlier enough to make a good lunch for me. You know, this speech was it tough for me. I think I'll close up there. Thank you.
Who is the better cook? Lall, think about it, sir. Well, let's show about the answer. Who is more likely to burn down the house while cooking dinner? All right, no sin. Who is most likely to get a speeding ticket, Lall? Who takes longer to get ready in the morning? Who is more likely to start an argument? Who is always the first person to end an argument? Who has the better taste in music? Okay, let's give them a round of applause for that.